Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy week of Thanksgiving. Pretty short week this week, right? We're just Monday and Tuesday. I think last year, what I was talking my last period about was last year was the first year that we did like an extended Thanksgiving break. So instead of just Thursday, Friday, it was Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I'm just trying to remind people, like, even though that's kind of new in our, environment, don't try to show up to class on Wednesday because nobody will be there. So make sure you take those days and just kind of enjoy yourself and find something to do and enjoy family or whatever you got planned. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen real quick. Nothing really new to you guys because this was kind of a wonky couple weeks, right? These two were supposed to be merged, but we actually didn't split them, right? They're still merged, but you got twice as much time to do them. So I'm really hoping that people kind of got a head start on this, that people at least started looking at this last week and getting some work done. Because again, this week is Thanksgiving, I know a lot of people have plans and their plans aren't going to include doing math. So hopefully you kind of set yourself up for success and you scheduled some time before Thanksgiving, before the holidays, to kind of knock this stuff out, or after, right? Maybe you're just planning on taking Thursday off and getting back to it on Friday. I don't know. But whatever your plan is, just make sure that you, again, for this section, for these two lessons, there is only one check-in and there is only one vocab and concept. So you're not doing one for each lesson. They're still merged into one single assignment. So for this Sunday, due on the 29th, you've got one vocab and concepts that has both 3-1 and 3-2 in it. You've got one check-in that has both 3-1 and 3-2 in it. Remember these things like we've talked about a bunch of times, and you figured out with your expectations reminder that you can take these things as many times as you want. So until you get the score you want. So if you take the vocab and concepts and it's worth 8 points and you get a 6, but you want 8, you want to get a perfect score, take it again. Take it as many times as you need to. And it's always the same assignment. So if you notice, you take this check-in, which is like our weekly quiz, and you take it a second time or a third time, it's the same problems. It's not like I went into some key bank and made like a whole crap ton of different versions of the test, right? They're the exact same assignment. So when you take it again, it's going to be the same assignment you just saw previous. Like always, though, the answers and solutions are there for you for both lessons and then the video tutorial as well. So if you're struggling with something specifically inside of a lesson or with an example problem or just with any of the practice problems, you can always access these video tutorials. And that'll hopefully help you out. Of course, if it doesn't, right, email me, let me know. We'll work something out. We'll figure it out together. I'm going to go ahead and pause and let people unmute themselves or type in the chat box any questions they have. I'm going to let these people that are late in. All right. Looks like everybody is in here. Nothing in the chat. No big questions. All right. So I will not see you again this week. I will see you next Monday. So make sure if you do have something that pops up, send me an email, let me know, and I'd be happy to help you. All right. I hope you have an awesome holiday. We'll see you next week. Bye. Bye, Gabriel. Bye. Thanks, you too, Zach. Hey, Nevaeh, you got any questions for me?
Oh, shoot. Sorry.
No, you're good. Have a good weekend. Oh, sorry. Did you have a question?
No, I was just I was typing in the chat to have a great week.
Oh, thanks. You too.
Yeah.
Bye, Nevaeh. Hey, Jacoby, I just got you in. I'm going to upload this video in Canvas in just a few minutes. But if you have any questions for me, I can take those from you. Feel free to unmute yourself, man. Okay. See you, buddy. I'll have that video uploaded in Canvas in just a minute. Have a good weekend.